Hi everyone, this is an old video I've made and I've edited some parts to make it shorter. Since 2019, I've been caring for my leopard cats that I evacuated from farmers. When they are older, I release them back into the forest. However, to release leopard cats back into the forest, I have to train them to adapt to their natural habitat. This involves accustoming them to flying in nature. As in this video, I always take them on adventures in nature or the forest, so that when they are older and ready to go into the forest, they will be more prepared because they are used to being taken there. I even train them to hunt for food or natural prey like squirrels, birds, lizards, and insects. At a certain age, even if they are taken into the forest, they will not run away and will continue to follow me because they consider me as their mother, who cares for them and feeds them. The average age for leopard cats to return to the forest is usually 10 months, with some even going into the forest as young as 8 months old. And even at home, I don't always keep them in a cage. They roam freely around the house and backyard. I only put them in cage when it rains. Leopard cats can be trained not to chase resident chickens. The trick is, when they are young, their hunting instinct is naturally present. When they see a chicken, they will immediately chase it. But if we prevent them with a little yell, they will understand, and we make it a habit to yell at them if they chase resident chickens. This way, they will learn what to hunt and what not to hunt. I do this by caring for leopard cats as a temporary home until they mature and are ready to return to the forest. Why don't I breed them? Breeding leopard cats is very expensive and requires permission from the relevant institutions that protects leopard cats. In Indonesia, leopard cats are protected species and cannot be kept as pets like domestic cats. Breeding them is allowed, but you have to obtain a permit and undergo a test of the suitability of the cage and surrounding environments. That's why I don't breed them for the reasons I mentioned above. For now, I'm happy with what I do because I can help preserve them and avoid the illegal sale of leopard cats. Okay, I think it's enough. Now, enjoy my video. See ya.
Loncat. Terlalu jauh. Loncat. Terlalu jauh.